Your mind is not meant to live in survival mode every day. But in today's fast life, stress is not a moment anymore. It's become a lifestyle, and slowly, silently, your blood pressure rises. And so does the anxiety. But what if I told you there is a way to bring your mind and BP both back into balance, naturally, gently, with Ayurveda? Namaste, I am Dr. Arnava, an Ayurvedic doctor. And on this channel, I simplify Ayurveda so you can reconnect it with your body in real and doable ways. Today's video is very close to my heart because I have seen so many people silently suffering with rising BP and chronic stress, not knowing what to do before it gets serious. So in this video, I am going to break down what Ayurveda says about this condition, what causes it, and how you can recognize the early signs, and most importantly, daily practices, herbs, and diet patterns to bring peace back into your system. So let's start the video. In Ayurveda, high blood pressure is not seen as a disease by itself, but a symptom, a signal of an imbalance in Vata and Pitta. When stress becomes chronic, Vata gets aggravated, causing restlessness, palpitations, dryness, insomnia. Pitta joins in, bringing irritability, anger, inflammation, and heat in the system. Your mind is no longer calm and your blood becomes agitated too. And slowly, that tension builds in the channels, especially that ones connected to the heart. That's how silently the pressure starts to build up. So why does this happen? Let's break it down. Emotional overload, worrying, overthinking, holding things in, lack of grounding, skipping meals, irregular lifestyle, pitta aggravating diet, too much salty, spicy or oily food, tech overstimulation. Mind does not get a pause, unprocessed emotion, anger, grief, fear held in the heart. Ayurveda always reminds us disease starts from the mind long before the body shows its signs. Ayurveda always reminds us disease starts from the mind long before the body shows signs. What's for this early signal? Feeling tense or on edge all day, headache or heaviness in the head, disturbed sleep or too many dreams, palpitations or irregular heartbeat, getting angry or emotional very easily, BP on the higher side even at rest. These are your body's early SOS calls. Let's now talk about what you can do daily to slowly reduce this stress BP cycle and return to mental clarity. Mindful morning routine. Wake up early before 6:30 a.m. Sit quietly for 5 minutes and just breathe. Apply warm sesame oil to your feet and scalp. It grounds Vata instantly. Take 3 deep breaths before any screen. Let your mind start with stillness. Start your day with lukewarm water or a pinch of cumin or coriander. Eat freshly cooked food, warm and simple khichdi, boiled veggies, light rice. Avoid too much salt, card, fried items. They aggravate pitta and increase the pressure. Mid-evening, sip coriander or fennel tea instead of chai. You can take Brahmi because it calms the mind and improves the clarity. Jatamamsi, it grounds anxiety and supports restful sleep. Movement and breathe, gentle walking after meals. 10 rounds of Anulom Vilom daily, it resets your nervous system. In evening, try Brahmari Pranayama. The humming sound calms the brainwaves deeply. For the night, put your phone away at least 45 minutes before sleep. Rub a little ghee on the soles of your feet. These ancient tricks works wonders. Lie on your right side, breathe deeply and let go of the day. If you need personal guidance, I offer one-to-one Ayurvedic consultations. You can reach out through the link given below.